A fictional parcel order starts with two visible lines, an item priced at $58 and outbound delivery priced at $6. The card was charged $64, but that original paid total does not automatically become the later refund amount. The customer sends the item back, and the parcel crosses three distinct scan states: dropped, in transit, and merchant received. A carrier scan describes where the box is. It does not prove that any refund has reached the payment account. Next, the merchant applies the fictional return terms line by line. The $58 item is refundable in this example, while the $6 outbound delivery line is not refunded, so the approved refund base is $58 rather than $64. The merchant can now mark the return accepted and approve a refund of $58. That approval is an important event, but the approval stamp and a posted card transaction are different records in different systems. After approval, the $58 refund travels along a payment rail from merchant approved, to processor sent, to card posted. Each marker describes progress, and none should be silently replaced with the later marker before the card account actually shows it. When the refund posts, a fictional card ledger can reconcile the result. A balance of $240 minus the posted $58 refund becomes $182. The subtraction belongs to the posting event, not merely to the parcel drop or return acceptance. Three beacons keep the states separate: return received, refund sent, and card posted. They can occur in sequence, but they are not synonyms, and a message about one beacon cannot serve as proof that all three have completed. The scope seal keeps the classroom example bounded. It shows a fictional order, a refundable item, delivery not refunded under the invented terms, and a refund routed back to the card. Real merchants and card providers can use different terms. Return to the original order layers and ask two separate questions. What was paid originally is $64, while what is refundable under these fictional terms is $58. The difference comes from classifying the two original lines, not from rounding or delay. The line sorter makes that classification visible before any timing discussion begins. Item $58 enters the refundable side, delivery $6 enters the not refunded side, and the two labels explain why a full returned parcel does not necessarily create a full original charge refund. Parcel scans answer a logistics question rather than a payment question. Dropped, in transit, and merchant received can establish the box route, yet none of those labels says processor sent or card posted, so the scan route should remain separate from the money route. The approval stamp answers another narrow question: has the merchant accepted the return and approved $58? It still does not display the card ledger's after balance, which prevents the word accepted from being stretched into a claim that the money is already posted. The payment rail then shows where the approved amount moves. Merchant approved comes first, processor sent comes next, and card posted is the final illustrated state, the arrow support sequence without inventing a universal number of hours or business days. The status beacons are useful when messages arrive from different systems. A merchant notice may light return received, a processor notice may light refund sent, and the card transaction itself lights card posted. Preserving the source of each message reduces false conclusions. Only the card ledger supports the exact balance arithmetic shown here. Before is $240, posted refund is minus $58, and after is $182, so the visual does not attach the subtraction to an earlier scan, email, or approval message. The original $64 charge still matters because it provides the two source lines. Keeping item $58 and outbound delivery $6 visible prevents the refund from looking like a mysterious smaller amount when the fictional terms exclude the delivery line. The scope seal also prevents overgeneralization. This lesson does not claim that delivery is always excluded, that every return follows the same rail, or that every provider uses the same status words. It explains how to read one bounded fictional record. The plain lesson is to read amount and state separately, identify refundable lines, follow the return scans, note merchant approval, trace the payment rail, and wait for the card posted record before using the ledger result. Educational only, not financial advice, and no personalized purchasing, credit, legal, or financial recommendation is provided.